All G&L Legacies come standard with a 250K volume pot. This Legacy has the Seymour Duncan JB4 humbucker in the bridge position and G&L CLF-100 single coils in the middle and neck position. With a 250K volume pot, you're not getting the full potential out of the JB4 humbucker, and you're also not getting the full potential out of your CLF-100 pickups either. I replaced the 250K volume pot with a CTS 500K volume pot. You get full output from the JB4 humbucker, and when you split it, it balances nicely with the CLF-100 single coils.